As Amazon has grown in size, it's found opportunities to deliver shareholder values in different ways. Initially, Amazon focused almost exclusively on growth, expansion, new product categories, new geographies. Now, as the size of the business has grown, it's found opportunities to improve by improving effectiveness, efficiency, lowering cost to serve, finding better ways to operate. And so the business has gone through an impressive transition. Now, it's still generating significant growth, and I'll share that with you in this video. But it's found more ways to deliver shareholder value, and it's maybe and understandably one of the reasons why I've had Amazon stock rated on my list of top stocks to buy all year long in 2024. So let's take a closer look at what's going on with Amazon stock. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now. So in the latest quarterly conference call, CEO Andrew Jassy talked about the company's performance, reminding everyone that as always, we're focused on making our customers' lives better and easier and thinking long-term with respect to how we can keep helping customers and build a successful business to outlast all of us. And this is especially true for the company's e-commerce segment. It really makes people's lives easier. You no longer have to go to the grocery store as often. Maybe you have to go for fresh stuff, as Amazon is still not as good in the fresh category as a grocery store might be. But for things like boxed cereal, canned beverages, bottled beverages, toiletries, other household essentials, shampoo, conditioner, things like that, where you might have had to go to Costco or you might have had to go to your local grocery store to stock up and refresh and reload on those items. Now Amazon can deliver many of those items to your doorstep, and you can subscribe to these items and just have Amazon always deliver it to you every 2 weeks or every month, whatever your desired frequency might be. And Amazon will even give you a discount for subscribing to these products. So it makes people's lives a lot easier, a lot more convenient, and it doesn't cost that much more. Sometimes it even costs less to go to Amazon for these items than going to your local grocery store, depending on if you're going to Costco or another store. And so this is the driving force behind Amazon's success. And Amazon is not forgetting that, and they're reminding everyone that this is the core thing that they're focused on, is doing that which drives customer growth and doing it with effectiveness, not spending too much to deliver these values. And in the stores business, Amazon saw sales growth of 9% year over year in North America and 12% internationally. And the things that matter to their customers are the broad selection, right? Millions and millions of items on Amazon.com, and that's convenient. You don't have to go to different places to get these items. Low prices, fast and free delivery, and a range of compelling Prime member benefits. The fast and free delivery is one of the categories that Amazon has a very strong competitive advantage. It has spent hundreds of billions of dollars developing its logistics network, and it's going to be very hard for any business to encroach on this advantage. A few have a chance. Walmart being one of them has a chance, but they're not there yet. And then Target in the United States has found success in countering Amazon's advantage by using their stores as a convenient fulfillment option for buyers. People can buy something on Target's website or app and then go to the store in about an hour and someone will bring it to your car. That's very convenient. That might actually be more convenient for some cases compared to Amazon. But other than those few instances, it's going to be hard for any company to match this advantage that Amazon has built. Amazon also gave us an update about consumer behavior, telling us that consumers are being careful about how much money they spend, and therefore we're continuing to lower prices and ship even more quickly And we can see this resonating with customers as our unit growth continues to be strong, and it's even outpacing our revenue growth. So people are buying more things, even if they're spending less money on Amazon. The number of things that they're buying is increasing faster than the total amount of money they're spending on Amazon. So like I highlighted earlier, they're focusing on lowering their cost to serve. This is an area they see as having significant upside to the business. There are more gains on top of what we've captured thus far in outbound regionalization and getting more items closer to end customers. We're in the process of significantly changing the way we inbound items to our fulfillment network and subsequently spread them out to our regional fulfillment nodes. So in the recent year and a half or two, Amazon has done a great job of bringing items closer to their customers. Good at that because they have all of this information. The subscribe and save feature I mentioned earlier allows Amazon this capability. If they know a certain amount of customers are going to want a certain amount of things at a certain date, they can prioritize inventory and bring inventory closer to those customers so that they lower the cost to deliver. And by being closer to customers, Amazon has added two benefits, one for themselves and one for the customer. The one for the customer is by being closer to the customer, Amazon can deliver items faster. The one for Amazon is because the items are closer to the customer, they don't have to travel as far, and so it lowers the cost to serve that customer. This is the win-win situation I've been talking about for a couple of years now that Amazon has been capitalizing on significantly, and they see way more room to go in this category. The CEO goes on to say that as we scale and optimize this new design, we expect these changes will further improve inventory placement, offer faster delivery times, save transportation costs, and enable us to increase units shipped per box. In other words, they see a lot more upside to the company's cost to serve or unit economics, lowering the cost for each item sold, lowering the cost for each delivery, lowering the cost to serve each customer, lowering the cost to serve each region, and all of that is going to drive profitability higher for Amazon. I've been talking about how impressive Amazon's profit growth has been in recent years, especially impressive considering the economic reopening shifted consumer behavior. Of course, they thrived during the lockdown stages when everyone was shopping online, but Amazon has continued to thrive even through the economic reopening when people are spending more money away from home. And part of that success has to do with this leadership team in how they've adapted the business and the logistics network to better serve customers, and that's led to increasing profitability. So truly impressive management here from this company, one of the best in class, I would say, of any of the businesses that I follow. Amazon has demonstrated excellent management of its vast business that's very difficult to manage, a high degree of difficulty to manage a business of this size and this diversity. So great news here, and I hope this elaborated a little bit on what's going on with Amazon, why they're able to achieve this kind of profit growth. Hey everyone, if you like watching my videos, then I've added a great complimentary product just for you. I've created a book, I've written a book that's available for sale now that highlights my 6-step investing framework. Even if you don't follow that investing framework, just reading it and knowing how I evaluate stocks will make it a lot more interesting and informative to watch my videos. I've added the link in the description below.